In this video, I'll show you how to send a newsletter in Mailchimp step by step. To begin, navigate to Mailchimp and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, open the newsletter you want to send. On the left-hand side, you'll see several campaign settings. Start by clicking To. Here, choose who you want to send the newsletter to. You can send it to all email subscribers or select a specific audience or segment. If you choose all subscribers, you can also use the Do Not Send To option to exclude contacts based on tags or segments. Once you've selected your recipients, click Save. Next, open the From section. Enter your company or sender name and choose the email address you want to send the newsletter from. Then click Save. Now, open the Subject section, enter your email subject line, and save your changes. After that, go to Send Time. You can choose to send the newsletter immediately, schedule it for a later date and time, or trigger it based on a specific event, depending on the options available in your account. Click Save when you're done. If you'd like, you can also configure automatic resend to resend the newsletter to subscribers who don't open it after a certain number of days. Once you've reviewed all your settings, click Send in the top right corner to deliver your newsletter. And that's how you can send a newsletter in Mailchimp.